Now, there's a shadow that is arm cast on the back of the boat. Well, Winslow Homer put it as kind of a gray. I think that's a pretty good choice. So I'm going to go with that too. I'm just going to kind of draw it with the brush. And I don't need to draw it with a pencil. So something like this. Comes down. We'll call it something like that. And maybe I'll soften this edge. See, you softened that edge there a little bit. Maybe I'll do the same thing. That shadow I put is a little bit too wide, I think. Just a little. But it works. Maybe you're going to take out a little bit here. And this little triangular area right in here looks incomplete. So I'm going to go in and mess with that a little bit and bring it up to looking like it's got better water in there. By the way, there's a few other things in the water I haven't put.